Have you been vaccinated yet? If not, then don't worry, as the central government is ramping up the country's vaccination capabilities. You might be wondering, how is it possible? Were not states reporting shortages of COVID-19 vaccines? Yes, they were. So to meet the rising demand for vaccines in the country, the Union Health Ministry has finalized an arrangement with vaccine manufacturer Biological E on June 3rd. As per the arrangement, the Hyderabad-based vaccine manufacturer will reserve 30 crore doses of its COVID-19 vaccine. For this, the pharma company will receive an advance payment of 1,500 crore rupees. Wondering when the vaccine doses will be manufactured? Well, the Union Health Ministry has said that the vaccines will be manufactured and stockpiled by Biological E from August to December in 2021. So what is the prospective vaccine candidate manufactured by Biological E? The vaccine is called Corbevax. It uses a recombinant protein platform. Reports have said that the technology is not used by any other vaccine in the country. Now the question is, how is the vaccine candidate by Biological E different from other vaccines that are approved in the country? Before that, let us look at the vaccines which are approved in India. Currently, 3 vaccines are approved for emergency use in India. The first is Covishield, manufactured by Pune-based Serum Institute of India under Oxford AstraZeneca. The second is indigenously manufactured Covaxin by Hyderabad-based Bharat Biotech. And the third vaccine is Russian-made Sputnik V, produced in India from another pharma company from Hyderabad called Dr. Reddy's Laboratories. So first up, Covishield. How does it work? Covishield uses a technology known as the viral vector platform. It uses a weakened strain of the adenovirus or the common cold virus. This will contain genetic material which resembles the genetic material of SARS-CoV-2 or COVID-19. When it is given to someone, their body will identify the spike protein and release the antibodies to evade the infection. The second is Covaxin. It is an inactivated vaccine, meaning it has been prepared on a tried and tested platform of dead viruses, which will help produce antibodies. The third is Sputnik V. Russian-made Sputnik V uses 2 different weakened adenovirus or common cold viruses. These will be modified so that when the vaccine is administered, it will deliver small parts of the pathogen to trigger an immune response. All of the 3 vaccines will be administered in 2 doses. Now we come to Biological E's vaccine. Reports have said that Biological E's vaccine called Corbevax uses something called a recombinant protein platform. Currently, none of the approved vaccines in India use a recombinant protein platform technology. So how does it work? Biological E's vaccine candidate reportedly targets a specific part of SARS-CoV-2 or COVID-19 which can trigger an immune response in the body. Confused? Here is Mumbai-based immunologist Dr. Sitesh Roy explaining the vaccine technology.
In Corbevax, directly spike proteins are being injected so that the body can respond to them and develop an immune response. So this is a very different platform than ones that are being used in India currently. And the phase 1 trials with about 360 individuals were successfully done. Phase 1-2 trials and phase 3 trials are currently ongoing with Corbevax right now.
As of now, Biological E's vaccine is undergoing phase 3 clinical trials. PTI said that it had shown promising results in phase 1 and phase 2 trials. The vaccine is expected to be available in the next few months. The proposal for the vaccine was recommended for approval after deliberation and due diligence by the National Expert Group on Vaccine Administration for COVID-19. The observation was made by the Union Health Ministry. The centre supported Biological E's vaccine from its pre-clinical stage to its phase 3 studies. Apart from the centre, the Department of Biotechnology has provided financial assistance along with a partnership with Biological E to conduct all animal challenge and quality tests.